An older 3.5 gallons per flush toilet uses roughly 25,000 gallons per year in a typical household. A WaterSense certified 1.28 gallons per flush toilet cuts that to under 10,000. And the products on this list go further, down to 1.0 and 0.92 gallons per flush, with MAP certification confirming they still clear a full bowl at those rates. Every product here is WaterSense compliant or better. Opening this list is the American Standard H2 option, the toilet on this list with the lowest partial flush value in the residential two-piece category. Its dual flush operates at 0.92 gallons on the partial cycle and 1.28 gallons on the full flush. The 0.92 gallons per flush partial cycle is below the WaterSense threshold on its own, meaning even the full flush on most other toilets uses more water than the H2 option's partial cycle. For a household of 4 running the partial cycle the majority of the time, the annual water reduction compared to a standard 1.28 gallons per flush single flush toilet is significant. And compared to a pre-WaterSense 3.5 gallons per flush unit, it is substantial. ADA chair height. The installation package includes a soft close seat and a wax ring, the two components most commonly missing from toilet boxes at this price. For a buyer who wants the deepest water efficiency cut available in a standard residential two-piece format without stepping into ultra-low flow specialty products, the H2 option is where this list starts. HOROW is the budget entry on this list for buyers who want two things confirmed simultaneously: WaterSense certification and MAP 1000 gram flush performance. MAP 1000 grams is the maximum score from independent maximum performance testing. It means this toilet cleared 1,000 grams of simulated waste at 1.28 gallons per flush in standardized lab conditions. That pairing matters for a water efficiency purchase. A toilet that uses less water per flush but fails to clear the bowl on the first cycle defeats the purpose, because a second flush negates all savings. The HOROW confirms both. It uses WaterSense rated water volume, and it clears a full load in a single cycle. Compact two-piece configuration with a round bowl, ADA chair height at 17 inches, single flush. At $209, it is the lowest price certified combination of WaterSense compliance and MAP 1000 grams on this list. The Gerber Maxwell Crest addresses a practical problem that is often underestimated: the efficiency upgrade that never happens because installation is inconvenient. The Maxwell Crest is a WaterSense certified 1.28 gallons per flush two-piece elongated toilet, sold as a complete installation kit. The box includes the toilet, a soft close seat, a wax ring, and all required mounting hardware. Everything required to replace a toilet from box to working installation is in a single package. ADA chair height. For a homeowner who has been running an older 3.5 or 1.6 gallons per flush toilet and wants to reduce water use, the efficiency gain is immediate and measurable, but only if the installation actually gets completed. The Gerber Maxwell Crest is the product on this list that eliminates the most common reason that upgrade gets delayed: missing components requiring a return trip to the hardware store. The Casta Diva MAP 1000 gram one-piece is the lowest gallons per flush product on this list, with a partial flush rating below 1.1 gallons. Its dual flush cycle runs at 1.0 gallons on the partial and 1.28 gallons on the full flush. At 1.0 gallons per flush, the partial cycle is 22% below the WaterSense threshold and among the lowest residential partial flush values available in this price range. MAP 1000 gram certification confirms the 1.28 gallons per flush. Full flush clears a maximum waste load in standardized testing. ADA chair height at 17.5 inches, above the standard accessibility threshold. One-piece construction, elongated bowl, compact footprint, 12-inch rough-in. For a buyer who wants to maximize water savings without sacrificing certified flush performance and needs ADA accessible height, the Casta Diva MAP 1000 gram is the most complete combination of those three criteria at the sub-$250 price point on this list. The DeerValley shares the same gallons per flush rating as the Casta Diva, 1.0 and 1.28 gallons per flush, MAP 1000 gram certified, but it adds a design feature specifically relevant to low-flow use over time: a rimless bowl. In a conventional toilet, the internal rim channel serves as a water distribution path, but also accumulates mineral deposits, bacteria, and biofilm that low gallons per flush volumes are less effective at rinsing out over repeated cycles. A rimless bowl eliminates that channel entirely, leaving only open ceramic surfaces where water and cleaning tools reach directly. Over years of efficient use, the rimless design maintains hygiene performance that a conventional rim layout makes progressively harder to sustain. WaterSense certified, ADA height, 12-inch rough-in. For a buyer making a long-term efficiency choice, the DeerValley's rimless geometry addresses a hidden maintenance cost that low-flow use introduces. The TOTO Entrada is the entry point to TOTO's residential lineup, and TOTO is one of the few manufacturers whose entire product engineering framework is built around maximizing flush performance at minimal water volume. The Entrada flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. It uses TOTO's G-Max flush system, a wide 3-inch flush valve with a 2-inch fully glazed trapway that delivers a powerful gravity flush at the WaterSense threshold. Universal height, ADA compliant, elongated bowl. For a buyer who wants a WaterSense certified toilet, backed by a manufacturer whose engineering identity is built on low gallons per flush performance, rather than a brand that added a WaterSense model to an existing lineup, the Entrada is where that engineering becomes accessible at entry price. With nearly 280 verified buyers, it has the strongest review base of any product in the $300 tier on this list. Closing this list is the TOTO Drake II, the product that combines WaterSense efficiency with TOTO's highest-level flush technology in a standard residential two-piece format. The Drake II flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, using Tornado Flush, a rimless, hole-free design with dual-angled nozzles, creating a centrifugal wash pattern. At that gallons per flush, the centrifugal motion carries waste through the trapway more thoroughly than a direct pour gravity flush, which is why the Drake II performs at WaterSense volume without sacrificing the consistency that makes single-cycle clearing reliable. The bowl carries Ceph-Viontect glaze, reducing waste adhesion and cleaning frequency, a factor that compounds over time in a low-flow installation. Universal height, ADA, WaterSense certified. For a buyer who wants the most engineered combination of water efficiency and flush reliability available on this list, the Drake II is where that combination is fully realized. Those are 7 high-efficiency toilets for 2026, from the H2 option's 0.92 gallons per flush partial flush to the TOTO Drake II's Tornado Flush engineering at the 1.28 gallons per flush WaterSense threshold. Every product here cuts water use below standard 1.6 gallons per flush baseline, and every one confirms flush performance through MAP certification or recognized flush technology. Links to all 7 are in the description. Give the video a like if this helped, and subscribe for more guides.